Hi, this is Akshan Goswami and I am an equity research intern at inSAKE Solutions. So our today's video presentation topic is real estate in financial modeling for real estate investments. So what is real estate? Real estate is a land or building that generates revenue or has the potential to do so. So basically there are two types of real estate, commercial real estate and residential real estate. So in residential real estate, you make houses to lend to sell to families or give on rent. So on commercial real estate, you basically lend them to individual or businesses. So how is financial modeling used in real estate investment? So you use financial modeling to analyze from a perspective of equity or a debt investor. So to calculate the potential risk and returns from the property. So for example, you buy a property, you make houses or something, you rent them for commercial purposes. So how much annualized return you can make from that property, that is analyzed from financial model. Thank you.